Back in the early days of our railway, Thomas did most of the shunting at the big station. However, there was a black tank engine that was loaned from another railway. We all tried to say hello, but it was silent, save for the occasional whistle. We'd see it shuffling around the sidings, keeping everything orderly. It certainly got on Thomas's nerves. Dare I say, it made him shape up. Strange and silent as it was, Sir Topham Hatt was impressed with its work and hoped to purchase it. Its railway refused, and it was eventually called back home. I still remember the mournful whistle it gave on the day it left. We all felt very sorry for it.